Marking what will be his 100th day in office, President Moon Jae-in will hold a press conference at the top office next Thursday. President Moon is likely to share his thoughts on a number of issues, look back at his first 100 days as president and explain his future plans for state affairs. Given that it is a press conference, he'll also take questions from reporters. The president will also be receiving reports on core policy-related issues from government ministries over an 8-day period that starts next Tuesday.